How to edit Word document on iPhone for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can edit Word documents on iPhone for free. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first off, you will need to search for the Word document. For that, you can locate the Files app right here. This is the one, and open it up. From here, you will need to find a Word document. So you can simply search for a Word document here. So you can find a Word document, and after you find it, long press on it, and then tap on Share. After you tap on Share, there is a default app from Apple that you can use that is called Pages. So you can either use that. So this is the one right here. Open that up. So after you open that up, you can, if you don't have the app, you can get it from the App Store. It's completely free. You can start importing the document. After the importing is done, you can then edit it. So here, let's tap on Done. Let it get its import. Then on the top right, you'll find an edit option. Tap on the edit option. Then you can start editing. So there you can see, you can type in whatever you want. And after that, you can also select this. And right here, you can see different formats that you can change it into. You can also find underlines. You can find different fonts that you can use. And that's basically how you can do it. And also keep in mind that this is completely free. You can also use other apps such as Word, Google Word Documents, and many other different apps available. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.